What if the chores you dread most are actually the doorway to a deeper peace? Most of us see chores as interruptions. We rush through them, hoping to get them out of the way, so we can move on to something more meaningful. But what if we've been looking at these moments all wrong? What if God is not only waiting for us in church, during Bible study, or in our quiet time? What if He is present in the ordinary rhythms of everyday life? Hidden within the steam rising from a sink of dishes is an invitation to slow down, an invitation to breathe, an invitation to pray. Instead of rushing, we can allow each movement to remind us of God's presence. As our hands work, our hearts can worship. A simple prayer whispered between each task, a verse repeated in our minds, a grateful heart acknowledging God's goodness. These ordinary moments become sacred moments. Folding laundry can become a prayer for the people who wear those clothes. Sweeping a floor can become a reminder that God cleanses and renews our hearts. Even the smallest task can become an act of worship when it is offered to Him. The peace we long for is often not found in escaping our responsibilities. It is found by inviting God into them. When we become aware of His presence, even the most routine moments begin to feel holy. So the next time you wash dishes, fold laundry, or sweep a room, don't rush through it. Pause. Pray. Reflect. You may discover that the peace you've been seeking has been waiting for you there all along. Today's challenge. The next time you wash dishes, fold laundry, sweep the floor, or do any household task, pause and pray for just 1 minute. Then come back and tell us, did you experience a greater sense of peace? Be still and know that I am God. Psalm 46:10. Grace Unfiltered.